Unboxing the Logitech G Pro X Superlight 2 Dex. If at any point during the video you want to check out this exact same mouse, there's Amazon links below for the US, UK, Canada, and international links. But let's unbox this awesome mouse. I'm hoping and assuming that it's basically the same as my G Pro X Superlight 2, but this, well, is just the ergonomic version. The right-handed version. So right away, the mouse is on top. It looks basically the same. It feels basically the same. This feels a little bit more matte. I don't know if that is or if I've just used this so much that it doesn't feel as much matte, but let's take the plastic off of the bottom. That looks essentially the same as that. Yeah, basically the same. But you see it has more of a bump out there and it's more right-handed. And that's a good thing because these skates work really well. It's a very light mouse overall in the hand. You can see that's where the dongle is gonna go. I'm very familiar with this mouse, except the not right-handed version. Now here is the dongle. We have a USB Type-C to USB Type-A there. It's a nice texturized feel. But then that is able to be stored in here, which is a really nice thing so that you don't lose your dongle, especially if you continuously switch out your mices or mouses. Continuing on with the unboxing, a little box in here, and that gives us a little packet and the charging cable. Now, the thing I don't like about the charging cable, it's not an ultralight cable. So if your mouse dies mid-game, you have to use this. They really should include, especially for the price, they should really include a ultralight cable. Basically all of the competition does. Now, continuing on here, we've got an additional skate. I don't know if this had that. I'm not sure if that had that. It probably did, but that's really cool. So you can switch this out to essentially have another mouse skate on the bottom. That's really cool. We have to try that out. We might have tried that out on the Superlight 2. I'm not sure, but I can't really remember, but yeah. All right, also in here, we've got some grip tape, which is really nice. That's nice and grippy stuff. And we've got the manuals and paperwork, but that's pretty much it. Let's check it out. Okay, in hand, I really like the feel of this. I personally prefer a right-handed mouse over normal ones. I run a BenQ Zowie EC2CW wireless, and I love that. This doesn't feel quite the same as that, but it does feel really nice. Kind of reminds me of the Razer Death Adder V3, but not quite. But I do like this bump out here. I'm excited to try this in game. Now, the clicks, yes, they're that phenomenal. These are the best feeling clicks in the game. They're super tactile, they're super crisp. They have a phenomenal sound, and the scroll wheel, basically the same here. It's literally just the same mouse, which is a good thing because it's really one of my favorite mice. Let's get both of these on the scale. The typical G Pro X Superlight 2 weighs in at 58.8 grams, and this one, I'm assuming it's gonna be a little bit heavier, 58.9 grams. Holy crap. They were able to make a little bit of a bump out, but still maintain almost exactly the same weight, which is really impressive. Oh, and the side buttons, yeah, exactly the same. They feel great. Right before we jump in game, the overall build quality here is pretty much identical in terms of the quality of fit and finish as this, which is to be expected. No creaks, super solid. Even though it's a lightweight mouse, it just feels very durable, very well built. All right, but in G-Hub, before we jump into game, we need to update this mouse. So now that it's connected, we're gonna do a firmware update. All right, with that, firmware update is done. That was actually very quick. Let's go in here. So this has the Hero 2 sensor. It has the potential to have an 8,000 hertz polling rate, and it has the light force switches, which are pretty much identical here, which feels so freaking good. So good. All right, so in here, we can adjust them by 5. So you can adjust your DPI by 5, which is super nice. We're gonna set the DPI to 400, which is about what I use. 1,000 hertz polling rate here. Let's jump in game. All right, immediately, the overall speed of everything feels very, very similar to the G Pro X Superlight 2, which I do like. It's very accurate, but I really do like having that right-handedness. And you guys know, that's what I use. I use the EC2CW as well as the G Pro X Superlight 2. So this feels very at home to me, but just a much better grip. It's a very comfortable mouse for me. Not quite as comfortable as my BenQ mouse. I really, really like this. Now, I actually just opened and unboxed the Pulsar X-Lite V4, and I actually like the shape a little bit more on that mouse, but the clicks on this, well, you just can't beat them. The clicks are freaking phenomenal. They're so accurate. But let's switch this out and try this with the more skate. I mean, that's such a good idea. Noticeably slower, but I think I like that with this one actually. Because you have a better grip on it, I kind of like that you have a little bit more precision, so I'm gonna try that for a bit. Continuing to run that extra skate, I really do like the precision here. But the star of the show here is 100% the clicks. I mean, they're great. Really, this mouse doesn't really have any major issues because it's got great skates. The shape, I think, is really good. And really, it's boring in the best way possible because it's just good. Like, everything they just did right here. If you like the G Pro X Superlight and you prefer right-handed mice, well, then you're gonna like it. And if you've never used a G Pro X Superlight 2, the Superlight 1 does not have these switches, then you're gonna be absolutely floored by how dang good these switches are. They are absolutely phenomenal. No, but the fact that they actually made this basically the exact same weight as the G Pro X Superlight 2 is honestly so impressive because you do have that extra grip here. I'm really impressed here, guys. So do I recommend this mouse? Well, absolutely. If you like the G Pro X Superlight 2, but you like right-handed mice more, well, you're not gonna go wrong with this. This just does really everything right, and the only thing that you might not like is if you don't like the shape, but then you probably like the G Pro X Superlight 2, not the Dex. It's a great mouse. If you guys wanna check it out, there are Amazon links below for the US, UK, Canada, and international links. But this is a consumer tech review, high speed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.